Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Hahn Air Duster with Mini Vacuum Cleaner. It does both functions. There's 7 attachments you can see. I'm going to show you how to use them. Product gets excellent customer ratings. This is a versatile air duster and a mini vacuum cleaner offering powerful dusting and vacuuming capabilities. It's got a high-speed 51,000 balanced RPM motor and a propeller. It's all balanced because it's high speed. It's got different speeds of operation on there, very efficient. So if you ever have a computer, you want to dust something out, you want to get rid of dust on your computer fans, this is excellent for that because it's going to allow you to blow air and clean things out. On the other hand, you could flip it around and you could make a vacuum cleaner out of it. You get about 30 minutes of runtime on this as a fully charged unit. So it also comes with a simple instruction booklet that shows you how to operate it, but it's very simple to do. So let's just take a look at what we have right here. There's the main unit itself, and it has one simple switch for operation. You see the intake right there. This is where the vacuum is going to be attached. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the output. There's a built-in LED on there. So you notice that certain attachments have circular bases to them, and those are the ones that fit right in just like that. This allows you to go on your keyboard or anywhere your computer fan and do some dusting if you want. So the operation is simple. You hold this down, you get a little green indicator right there that's giving you the status. The air is coming out of here. Clean it again, more air, and then even more air, and then you notice it's got an LED down there. Hit it one more time and it shuts down. So you can see other attachments. You can see this one right here, and this is for filling up a balloon or something else like that, or a toy that requires air in it. And then this is just another simple attachment that directs the air into a smaller nozzle. And this one right here is another nozzle that shoots the air into a slight rectangular piece, rectangular airflow. Then this one right here is circular, different smaller size. Then you notice that there is this different piece right here which has that shape on there and a removable brush that can be used. This is for the vacuum side of the attachment. So there's this piece right here, and this can go inside there. And this is the vacuum attachment, and it's unique. It has a little filter in there. You just pull this out and you have a screen within there. There's a flap that opens and closes, and I really like that because sometimes if you're vacuuming up a bug, it can't get out, which is really nice. And then inside here, this rotates, and you have the filter, which could come out just like that. If you clean this filter, make sure it dries for 24 hours. This piece right here is stainless steel, and it goes right back in that holder right there. Now you ask, how do you use this? Well, on the back of this unit, air goes in there and comes out here. So if you rotate this counterclockwise, this comes out, and then you have the ability to put this piece in, and it locks in place. So now the duster is having air come out this side right here. It's actually vacuuming this side. And of course you got your speeds. So that's unique. So you can really do both if you wanted to, because you can put this piece right there and you could have air coming out there and vacuuming going there. I recommend you do either or because the efficiency of this goes up when you use them as separate functions. Here's just a quick example. I've got the vacuum attachment on there, and I'm going to turn it on to the highest speed. Now that's getting the surface dust, but it's not really getting the dust that might be in between the keys. So we're going to switch to the blower for that. Now I have the blower attachment on here. I got the vacuum removed. I got the cover plate put back on there. Now we can turn this on. And now I can get the dust that's between the keys. Also your mouth, you clean the LED out right there. So there's a lot of applications for this. On your PC, you've got fans. You can blast air out of the fan safely and save yourself from having to buy those compressed air cans. Charging it is very simple. Just take any USB-C connector, connect it to a 1 amp or greater port, and you can see it's got the blinking LED there. That will go to green when it's fully charged. So after testing, what do I think about the Hom air duster with mini vacuum cleaner and 7 attachments? Really works well. It's a simple way to have a duster without buying compressed cans, and it doubles as a vacuum cleaner. It also can inflate anything you have that requires air. It's got a nozzle for that. So it's very efficient and high tech, and we give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.